Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today's episode going to be completely different because there is going to be no repair. I just want to show you something I came across the internet. I found something called Nexus Board Viewer, Next Gen Board Viewer, and it's free. It's great software. I just want to show you. I'm going to leave the link in the video description. I just want to show you some of this great features, and I believe every single repair tech gonna be interested and gonna be excited about this software. So on the website here, you can download the software. You have some pictures. Oh, my mouse doesn't work. Of course, you can download it from here. Newest version is 0.5.1. Just unzip it, start it, and that's gonna work right away. Here you have some changelog and other things. You can support that developer who created this software, and as I mentioned, it's completely free. I am super excited about it, but first let me show you features of this software. So I'm gonna show you the whole display capture just to show you. Okay, this is how the software looks like. Nothing fancy for first look. We can open some views. For example, the board view I showed you last time from this AM5 Asus board. Oh, by the way, it's working. I'm gonna build a computer for streaming based on this board, so I'm super excited too that this repair, which the video came live today, is successful fully. I was able to purchase memory and a CPU for that. Okay, never mind everything. Like on the other board view software, we can view some values, components, nets. We can go here and look, as I showed you before. We can go to some CPU connections and just mark a pin and check wherever this pin is going. Oh, I found that whenever you're gonna click the scroll, it will go to the other side of the board. I don't know all of the features of this software yet because I just downloaded it and I was super excited just to show you guys this thing. So let's go, for example, to this pin. Of course, this is, as you can see here, it's ground. Okay, this is a basic feature you probably gonna have in every single board view software, but let me show you something more. Let's go to, for example, MacBook. This is a MacBook, I don't even know, 82001.521 board, and of course you can go to PDF and open a corresponding PDF file with schematic, and of course you can go to this board view and click on a component. It will find the component on the schematic. So everything from so far, I know it was available on Paul Daniels's Flex board view. And okay, but the other software is paid. This one is completely free. But what blew my mind and what I just want to show you now, it's gonna be another feature. Because okay, we can find the signals here. We can go find some other connections. Everything is fine. Of course, this one works as a normal PDF viewer. This is our board view software. So let's find another one. So let's go. This is LA E331P board. To be honest, I don't even know from which laptop it comes from. But there's also the same feature with this PDF thing. So we can go again and mark some parts. They're gonna be found on the schematic. But let me show you the feature I am really excited. Turn on layer mode. And this one blew my mind. So let's wait a second. And we have 12 layers in this PCB, and we can trace every single trace every single connection. And remember the board, that the red board from Asus ROG, I believe, with burnt trace, which was completely inside. So let's turn off this top layer, turn on inner one. Okay, let's turn off the bottom. This one's ground, one of the inner layers. So now whenever we're gonna have any burnt trace, which will be inside of this laminate, we can trace it, we can find whenever it's going. So other thing I found, there is a thing that not every single board viewer file contains this info like here. Just let's go further. We have every single layer, every single trace which is inside this board, we can find in with this free software. I have to tell it one more time, it's completely free. Of course, if you would like to support the author of this beautiful software, whenever you're gonna shut down the window, that message will pop up that you can just donate to him with PayPal or any other channel of support. And as I said, I liked it so much. I didn't see any video about it on YouTube or any other channel. I believe it's quite brand new, just came out. But as I said, this is, for me, this is really, really awesome. Of course, we can look for some nets, rails, voltage rails, and try to look for them here somewhere. As I just selected +1 VA.LW, and this is this trace here. Probably if I'm gonna mark one, it takes us, and it says that this one is USB 3 RP1. No clue what is this, but this is awesome. Again, we can go back and select our PDF schematic, and of course here it will take us in a schematic. I know that Paul Daniels's Flex BV, Flex Board Viewer, has this feature, but again, you would have to pay money for this. This is completely free of charge. So as I mentioned, whenever you're gonna click close on this here, that cross, this one will pop up that this program is freeware. However, if you wish to support the development of it, please consider to make a donation. Thank you. And you can have this see donations link if you like the software and would like to support ongoing development financially. You have SBER, I have no clue what this is, PayPal, Ton, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I believe you can help with this one here. So I believe that's gonna be it. This is just a really short video just to show you that this one is available. I didn't plan it. I just sat down in my shop and I took a look on this, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Of course, my regular video was posted today at 12. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all of the good words, all of that likes, and of course, thank you for subscriptions. I believe for now I have 272 subscribers, so thank you very much for all of this support, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.